Boom. Welcome back to the channel, fellas. Today we're gonna try to make our custom coolant lines, coolant hoses, right? Yeah. Lines, same shit. We have the stock one right here. It goes down, but let me go here. It goes down and connects, but it's super close to the motherfucker. It's super close to the freaking turbo. I know this is the cold side, but this shit still gets hot. It's already connected down there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this. Maybe we're gonna cut. We could either use heat wrap or we're gonna cut it, and I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go to Lowe's or Home Depot and we're gonna get some supplies. We're gonna show you how we're gonna route it or whatever, or cut it and put like two of the hoses together. He's gonna use this metal little string thing so we can try to metal string thing, metal wire, whatever. He's gonna try to route it from here to here with that, so we can get the measurements or how it's supposed to be ran. So we go to advanced or AutoZone and try to get one as similar as possible.
So damn.
El Diablo.
El Diablo what?
Hold on, I gotta show you something.
What you did for it? You're gonna put that in the video?
Yeah.
Diablo logo, that feels disgusting.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's over here. Let me see. Boom. You route it all the way down through here, and then to the radiator right there. We gotta go to freaking AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts to see if we can find something similar
to this rope.
To that. If not, we're gonna have to get like two of them and chop them up and combine them together. And we're gonna show you how we're gonna combine them when we go to Home Depot or Lowe's. So we're back from Advanced Auto Parts and we ended up getting this one right here. We're gonna try to route it the best we can. See if it routes good. Is it through here I'm gonna route it? Or like this, let me see. Nah, definitely like this. Let me try to route it real quick. Alright, so this is how I have it routed. From there to there. It's a little bit bent right here, but it's supposed to be bent already. So look, this is how it looks when it's stress free. A little bend like that. So this bracket's not gonna be here, so it's gonna be able to bend back a little bit more. After we got that, we need like a, where's all the holes at right here? We could cut some of this off. Once we cut it right here, boom, we could take this part and then connect it to this one. You're probably like, how the heck are you guys gonna connect it? I got you. Remember when I said that we went to Lowe's and Home Depot to get something to attach them? I'm gonna show you right now what we're gonna use. Boom. This is what we're gonna use right here. Let me open it for you guys real quick. These are called nipple. I don't know. I don't know what these are called, but you can get them in Home Depot. And these are hose clamps from Home Depot. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open one of these bad boys. This is how to make custom coolant hoses for basically any car. Get that? These are brass, by the way. Brass. This is brass somewhere. Right there. Brass pipe. My friend said that the brass, just brass in general, dissipates the heat quicker or better. I don't know. That's what he said. Right here, look, it just goes in through here. I seen it on YouTube. I think it was. Hold on, give me a second. Let me try to put this in. It goes in like that. It's supposed to go in deeper, but I'm just showing you a demonstration. Then you put it in with that one, in through there, and then just put hose clamps on each side. Yes, it's not gonna look the prettiest, but it's just to get this car running. Later on, we're gonna do like actual custom, real good looking ones. What up? Focus Coolant. All we do is put the hoses from this side and on this side, and that's it. I'll show you when it's done. Alright, so I'm gonna work on this coolant hosing by myself today because everybody else is not here. So first things first, I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna bring this bad boy, bring it over here. We're gonna assemble it with this one. So let me see, hold up. It was like this, so we gotta connect it right there. Okay, you know what, the first thing I'm gonna do to make more room in here is take this overflow tank bracket, I think it is. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off first so we can get a little bit more room here. So give me a second. 10 mil. Oh shit. Bitch, come on. Can you tell I don't work on cars much? Because who the heck uses a wrench on here? Yes sir, yes sir. I think I got one more bolt over there. I can't do this shit with one hand. Actually I could, because I'm the best, boy. Put that there, get my fingers in this bad boy. Fuck, still not loose enough. Come on. There you go. There you go. Bracket off. Whew. Let me put these tools back before Kevin kills me, you know? So he won't say anything. Look it. There you go. Take that off. I'll put it back to where everything went. It was right here, that. This 10 mil was over here. Look at that. I put it back, Kevin, so he won't say nothing. It's kind of kinked still, but if I cut some of this off here, maybe like yay much, it'll go back more and it won't have that much of a kink, right? Or am I just stupid? I'm gonna try that. Give me 1 second. Scratch that idea. What I'm gonna do is just cut some of this. Blácate. And cut some from here. You good? Oh shit, that's Kevin's too. Kevin, don't beat me up, man, please. Let's go over here. There you go. So I'm gonna measure all this and then cut. All right, so what I'm gonna do is cause we don't need this part right here. Is this zoomed in? Okay. We don't need this part all the way. So I'm gonna start with, cause look, it has to angle. It has to go in there. We need like a 90 degree, is it? Or is it a 45? I don't know my freaking degrees, alright? But we need we need one to just go like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut from here. Just cut this whole thing off from here. All that, I'm gonna cut it off. Then after that, I'm gonna cut from here to here. So we could take that off so we could get this little bend that goes straight to the radiator over here. So give me a segundo. Check it out. This is how you cut. Look at this. This is all I got. Got no scissors, nothing else. So, holy shit, this motherfucker thick. Where's Kevin at when you need him, man? Look at this shit. We got this, boys. We don't need nobody. Yikes. Cut this shit horrible. But the show must go on. See that? I might be the camera guy, but I'm putting in that work. Bro, cut a straight line, my dude. What the hell? There you go. Let me trim it off a little bit, you know. Cut away, not towards you, okay? Away. That's what I cut already. Alright. That is gonna go in straight to the radiator. So now, we need to cut some of this. Now this, I'm gonna start cutting off small portions, very small portions. Because if I cut too much, I'm fucked. So let me take these, let me separate these and start cutting. Just to show you how good this thing works, like they're not gonna get separated. Look, I'm gonna try to yank on this pause the hardest I can. Alright, check it out. Look at this. So that shit ain't gonna go nowhere. So letting you guys know before you guys go in the comments going crazy. Can barely take this shit off, man. Give me a second. Pro tip: cut first before putting this on, because this is a bitch to take off. Alright? Alright, now that we took this off, we gotta cut from here. Alright, so I think I should be cutting from right here. But just in case I cut too much, I'm gonna cut right over here. So let me cut this and we're gonna test fit it after. Alright, so this is how much I cut. Let's see if it fits, going like this and going in there. So I think I still need to cut more. It's so hard doing it with just one person. I don't even got a tripod either, like what the freak. Let me try to put it on this car and then use the tripod like this, I guess. Check it out. Okay, before I show you guys, yes, it is not gonna be pretty. I know. But it's just so we got the car running already, right? We have all the coolant hoses, it's gonna be running. After that, we can take off the motor, paint the engine bay, and so on and so forth. So we can do this shit quicker. So, this is how it looks. Yikes, I know, yes, ugly. But it gets the job done. I think this is a little bit too close to that turbo, okay? So either I take some of this hose right here. Matter of fact, I might just use this one because this one got like a freaking crazy ass bend right here. I mean, this is gonna work. The thing is, this turbo is sitting too goddamn close to this. Like, what the freak, man? My boy says it's okay. I could call him and ask him. I'm pretty sure he's gonna be like, oh, it's fine like that. But I don't know, man. Look how close this one is too. He said we could push this one down and stuff. And let me see. Oh, it's coming out down there. Why did you guys let me work on this car alone? Come on, man. Let me see. Come on, David. Think. Get a freaking brain blast or something. Okay. If I cut this one, will it fit? Maybe. Oh shit. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. Should we try it? Let me see. The thing is, if we cut this one like this one has to bend like that, and it's still gonna be touching that turbo regardless. Well, technically it's not touching. Look, there's clearance, but come on now. For now, that's how the hoses are gonna look. Let me see. It'll get the job done. This is just for now. Later on, I'm gonna get lines like this, AN fittings, and put it to that. But right now, it's too expensive. It's like, I think it's like 300 or 400 bucks to get all of that situated and putting it all. There's no point. With that money, I could just paint the bay and get the car running for now, you know? This is gonna work, so I'm gonna leave it like this for now. What I will do is put the hose clamps so you can see how it's gonna look. This is what's gonna make it look ugly, to be honest. But we're gonna use this little grommet thing, whatever the heck this shit is, over it. We're gonna take that and put it over these so you won't see it that much. We just disconnect this bad boy. Come on, baby. Damn, this motherfucker tightened it. Get out. Get out. Baby. This is all we do. Check it out. I know Kevin's proud of me when he sees this. Check it out. Look at it. Get in there like a loose butthole. Should go all the way down. Come on, baby, get in. Oh, it's kind of stiff there. Pause. Let me loosen this shit. It's kind of stiff on that bad boy. Yes, sir. I'm gonna try to do everything with one hand so you guys can see the most. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be possible. This has to work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna take off the whole. Yes, sir. Call me Mechanic Dave, baby. Ladies, I'm single. Want me to work on your car? Just let me know. Alright, so we're gonna leave it right there. Boom. Where's the other one at? There's the other one right here. Throw it over that bad boy too. Put it right there. Like I said, this was gonna make it look ugly. But let me tighten this because I can't do it with one hand. There you go. They're tight. Okay, let me put this bad boy back in here. Come on, baby, don't play hard to get. Freaking turbo. Come on, baby. You motherfucker. You're right there, baby, get in there. You fucking whore. Come on, get in. Oh my God, I'm gonna kill this car. Give me a second. There you go, connected. It looks like it got a little bit more clearance. Not a bunch more, but it looks like it got a little bit more. So, yes, this looks atrocious with that. But I think once we use this bad boy, oh my God, let me take this out. Once we use this, put you guys down real quick. Once we take, God damn, can this come off? Once we take this bad boy, I kind of don't want to put it on yet, but once we take this and put it, I got a wedgie, and put it over this like that, you won't really see it much. You'll see the little bulk of it, but that's about it. It's gonna be something like that. I don't want to put it on yet because we are gonna cut this again, maybe. And that's how you make a custom coolant hose. Yes, it's ghetto, but it gets the job done. I'm pretty sure it will. I would put coolant in it and see if it leaks or not, but be serious though. You really think that's gonna leak with this right here and the two clamps there? I don't think it's gonna leak. The car isn't running, so I can't put coolant and all this jazz in it, so I guess you have to stick around to see if it leaks or not in the other videos. But that's how you make custom coolant hoses. So I ended up putting this little thing I said, a little heat shrimp, whatever this is called. I put this little heat thing that came with the hose, and look it, you can still see it a little bit, but hey yo, looking cute, real cute. Well, this is done, and this is the end of the video. That's how you make custom coolant hoses for cheap DIY. I spent about 20 bucks with all the material. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more content on this Civic or that Speed 3. Deuces.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know I got that propane.